I'm here at the Grey Mount, Oseberg, south of Norway. I live just a kilometer from here, so I'm often here speaking to those two ladies buried here. This is the grave where we have most of the Viking finds from pots and pans and horses and wagons and wood carving and textile. It's also with the ship, you know, with that dirt. The textile that are here are not big enough so we can make Oseberg dress, for instance, in small pieces. But what is of textile is this tapestry, the Oseberg tapestry, that I've also been working with for many, many years. Link below to that. But that's not why I'm here today, really. I'm here because Robert Eggers has made an amazing Viking movie called The Northman, and I'm proud to say I'm part of it. I have been making Viking clothing for now 27 years, communicating all the time, also written a book. You can find it on Amazon. So I'm used to answer questions on my mail, on Facebook or whatever about Viking clothing every day. So I have been writing mail with a woman called Linda, and I didn't know who she was. But she called me in the end of December, asking me if I want to go to Belfast to help with making Viking clothing for a movie, Viking movie. And I was like, whoa, can I do that? But 2 hours early, I finished my graduation papers for exam in graphic design. Check. 1 week later, my son, youngest son, moved out, Magnus, from the house. Check. My oldest son was on his way back from Europe with his family. They could move into my house. Check. So I said yes, and I went to Belfast in the beginning of January 20 and stayed there for 11 months. And it was a creative, fantastic time. Robert Eggers has a level on authenticity that I can just pay him all my respect for my art. He is surrounded of people who knows what they are doing. He takes in the best professors in archaeology and history to make sure to show this Viking culture as correct as possible. Linda Muir, the designer that called me, she's a superwoman, or maybe a Viking woman. She has made a tremendous research before I came, and she also had my book. So she asked me if I would come and be the cutter and the consultant on Viking clothing, and I did. So I was over there constructing all the pattern sheets, the basic pattern sheets. We have two other very good cutters. One was Frances Sweeney from Canada. She is a specialist in female cutting and fitting. And Maria Kirkby. She's also fantastic cutter. She made all the male, and both of them after my basic pattern sheet. My job there was also to make the more special outfit for the main characters, and the special techniques that we didn't have time to train the makers in those techniques that are specific for the Viking time. But we have 20, 25, maybe 30 sometimes makers who was making all this clothing. 1,500 outfits were made, I think. I also had the pleasure of inviting many of my Viking friends who are super skilled on specific things. Tablet woven bands, Viking shoes, jewels, linked below. A lot of skilled people around Europe has participated in making this movie as authentic as possible. You can make those clothing if you want. Not those exactly designed from the movie in the Northman, because they belong to Linda and to the movie, of course. But here on this YouTube channel, I have many classes for free with the same pattern sheets that I've used for many, many years. And so you can make, I think, almost all Viking clothing. More will come. This specific coat is based on some finds and some pictures. And I made this for Nicole, Professor Brown. That is the next one I will put out a class on, and more will come. You can also download the pattern sheet for a little cost. They come in A4 or in letter size, and you can print them out, gather them, find your size, cut it out, start sewing tonight. There's instruction on how to do it, and also of course the background for each outfit in my videos. I hope you will enjoy it, and I hope to see you on Viking markets. Thank you, Robert. Thank you, Freya.